So, I'm back again. Man, it's been a while since I've done 2 uploads a week. But either way, welcome back to channel Tech with Niche guys, and it's your host Nikthesh. I'm gonna do another product review, and it's gonna be yet another 2 cheap episode, guys, and it's gonna be this 2 cheap webcam that I bought from Shopee 4 or 5 months ago. It's just sitting here like this. I've used the webcam, but this box has been sitting here for a while right now, and I want to throw this small box out from this room. So it's technically an unboxing slash review. Either way, let's unbox it and let's review it, and let's jump right in. So this is how the package came, with a lot and a thick bubble wrap, because you guys can see from here I can't pop all bubble wrap because the plastic is a bit too thick. I told you it's gonna go in the trash. So here's the webcam itself. So there is some text on the box and on this small, what is it, instruction manual, as it's supposed to say. So in the box they're telling, not in the box, at the box they're telling us some features about this webcam: video conferencing, photographing, please don't do that, e-learning, platform live broadcasting, USB 2.0 ultra speed, USB plug and play. There are some how can I say, truth into this box, like USB 2.0, high speed, USB plug and play. These 3 quotes are really accurate, but video conferencing is good. Photographing, please don't do it because the webcam sucks. E-learning, good. Well, platform live broadcast also is a bit truth. And that's all in this box, really. I told you it's gonna go in the trash. So here's the instruction manual that they mentioned us. Driving type, I don't know. Plug and play without driver. Okay, makes sense. Video format BMP, don't know what the hell it is. Sensor type CMOS, don't know what the hell it is. 50 Hz, that it can record. Focusing range 80 centimeters. USB line length 140 centimeters, which is kind of accurate because it does have a long USB, but not that long. Resolving power 1280 times 720p, extension 1920 by 1080p. I don't know why they added word of extension inside a bracket. Interference type USB 2.0, microphone, built-in microphone, which is we'll be testing out soon enough. Product size 70 to times 50.7 for. Here's the size of it. Don't know how they calculate this thing. Support devices. Support mainstream computers, Windows 2.0, XP, XP2. Did they release an XP2? Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8. Windows 10, Mac OS, Linux operating system. As they told us, it's using not a non-driver. It's using a Windows or a Mac OS usual built-in drivers for this webcam. So the quality may not be that good. And that's all. Product accessories, webcam 1, instruction 1. Product structure diagram, they're telling us what's built into this webcam, and they do have a 360, yeah, it's kind of a 360 rotating things going on, and they have a small stand for it to mount it on your monitor, or you just can leave it like this. Plug and play is speaker brother. I told you I'm gonna throw it in the trash. So that's about it really, about this webcam on the surface. So let's talk about the hardware that is built into it. So usually webcam sensors are really small, and there's no exceptions. This tiny sensor can't pick up that much light, especially in dark environment areas. You guys can get a lot of graininess. We'll be testing this webcam soon enough, so just wait for a sec. And on top of the webcam, they do have some kind of text: webcam, HD full, and a small built-in microphone. There's a small hole into it, and as I told you, it's 360 rotatable. I think you guys can, yeah, you guys can take it off from the stand, but it ain't stable. So you do need to stand, and you just need to mount it like this. Ta-da! So that's about it really on the surface. Let's plug it into the PC, and I want to talk you through what are the good and what are the bad, mediums, and what are the bad about this webcam. Spoiler alert, is good enough for the price. So this is the audio quality from the webcam itself, and this is also the picture quality of the webcam. So as you guys can see, it's aimed at good enough. It's a bit grainy, the exposure, especially in this part of the side of the face. I look white as hell, and the hair is quite accurate. It looks atrocious. Okay, I'm a bit confused, and hope you guys can see the thing. Yeah, you guys can hear my clicky blue switches, but either way, I'm going to change my keyboard soon, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. And since 4th of July is coming up soon, I'll make a studio tour soon enough, so make sure you guys to subscribe to that as well. So yeah, so by the looks of it, it's a bit too grainy, as you guys can see. If I change it to here and I come over here, the exposure is a bit okay-ish, especially this part. Yeah, the exposure is still ain't good enough, but the focusing range is quite accurate. Yeah, as you guys can see, the surrounding of the face is become a bit darker, but my face looks a bit good enough. When I come in closer, it starts to brighten up a bit, little by little. But overall, for webcam that's this cheap, it ain't that bad. I hope the audio quality is good as well. So now we test the webcam microphone itself, and this is a great comparison from the BM800 microphone that I'm using. And by the way, review coming soon. Make sure you guys are subscribed to check out this review. Okay, this is a unique microphone, and I want to talk a bit more about this microphone. I'm just gonna use it while it asks it. So hope this sound is good enough, and I want to give it benchmark real quick. The clicky blue switches again. So yeah, this is the comparison to the webcam itself, and I'm telling you, this thing crushes the webcam's audio quality. So that's all it about this webcam. It's 30 ringgit, that's why it's on the too cheap episode, and there are some pretty expensive webcams that I tried to buy it, but I have no money. What can I do? But for 30 ringgit, for another too cheap episode, by the way, this is yet another too cheap episode success. After the MP3, awful MP3 player that I reviewed, it's a really good one. And will I suggest this thing to buy? Well, if you're tight on budget like me, and you guys want to use it only for Discord or occasionally streaming, probably YouTube gaming recording, as I do in the past. But either way, this thing is good enough, and I suggest you to buy it one if you're on a tight budget. So yeah, that's me, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below what if you thought of it, guys. If you're new to this channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll check you guys in the next video. Talk to you guys later, and hope you guys enjoy.